Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today I'll be doing a quick demo on how to upload Excel file from your desktop or any other location you have saved your Excel file. So the first thing you do, you go to the Excel, you click that button, and you can see from there it says import data from Microsoft Excel. So you can see there my file is saved on my desktop and it's called demo YouTube dummy data. And this is a file we're gonna upload to Power BI desktop. So we click that file, we click open, so we are opening the file, and then you can see all the tabs on that your Excel workbook. So for our case, we have data on a sales data table or tab, so we click that and we can be able to see the preview of the data. So this is exactly the data which we have in Excel workbook, but this is the tab called sales product. We can transform the data, but for this video, I'm not going to do any transformation, but this will be shown on other videos. So I'll close and apply. Another quick way, you can just say load the data instead of transformation. So this is now, let's open a new tab. This is a table you have downloaded. Let's do and summarize, it will be easier. So we don't summarize anything. We bring the table from visualization card. That's the first column is called product. And the second column is called sales dummy data. And with this, makes now a table. So this is a full table here, and the name of the table is called sales product table. So that's a table. I'll make it a little bit bigger so that you can see what we have done. I'll do 35. So make it 35 values. Again, we do again with the header, we do 35. There we go. Now this is our loaded data, full table now with the product and the cost of those products. And we can just play with the data as we want it. Thank you so much for watching Power BI demo channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.